Okay, so to convert your cow to a bottle filler using the Lucloy or any other device like this, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. First thing you have to do is remove the old manifold. I guess I can take this off. We're going to remove the old manifold and the normal drinking spouts. That way we can add this and add this to use these. Alright, so here's our old manifold. We'll hang it up, let it dry, and then we'll put it back on when coronavirus is over. Alright, so I got a piece of hose that I know is going to be long enough to go from my pump, on the out part of my pump, and I'll just run it down, and then I have a foot pedal. I'm using the foot pedal here, so we'll attach to the foot pedal, and then I'll show you, we'll attach the spout after that. Okay, next, so this is our out coming out of the cooler, and then it's going to go into the foot pedal, and then this will come from the foot pedal. So we're going to attach this to this little slot right here. Okay, so now we have our out from the pump, and then it's out from the foot pedal here. I put a little piece of foam in this holder so that it's more sturdy. I've got the from the faucet, we're going to go in the top of this pedal here and we'll put some silicone tape. I've attached my foot pedal to a piece of wood. That way it's pretty stable. It's not going to rock back and forth when somebody goes to step on it. From your motor, I got one of these little nipple things that has will attach to this hose and also will screw in. This was similar to the one, almost identical to the one that's on the pump. Alright, that's it. That should work. So let's go outside and test